Good morning, students. This is your EVS class, and we are reading lesson number 8, Human Teeth and Tongue. In our previous video, we studied about the topic tips to keep healthy teeth and gums. Now, our today's topic is our tongue. Okay. Students, tongue is the sense organ which has many functions. The most important function of tongue is we taste our food with the help of our tongue, right? The front part of our tongue works with our lips, teeth, and the roof of our mouth to help us to talk, sing, or whistle. It helps to move the food around the mouth during chewing food. Okay. It helps to mix saliva with food in the mouth, thus helping in the process of digestion of the food. That means tongue का एक इम्पॉर्टेंट फंक्शन ये भी होता है कि वो हेल्प करती है सलाइवा को फूड के साथ मिक्स होने में, और इससे जो डाइजेशन का प्रोसेस होता है वो जल्दी होता है और अच्छी तरह से होता है. मतलब हमारे फूड को डाइजेस्ट करने में भी टंग बहुत हेल्पफुल होती है, राइट? इट ऑल्सो हेल्प टू क्लीन the mouth and teeth after we have finished eating. So students, now we taught about all the functions of our tongue. The most important function is our tongue is taste the food. We can taste our food with the help of our tongue. Next one is we can talk, we can sing, we can whistle with our tongue very easily, right? Next, it helps to move food around the mouth during chewing the food. Okay, that means food को chew करने के लिए भी हमको tongue बहुत help करती है. Okay, next one is tongue help to mix saliva with food in the mouth. है ना? तो क्या होता है? We can digest our food very easily with the help of our tongue. Okay. Last but not the least, tongue help to clean the mouth and teeth after we have finished eating. Okay. मतलब जब हम अपनी ईटिंग को फिनिश कर देते हैं उसके बाद ये हमारे माउथ और टीथ को क्लीन भी करती है. तो these are all the functions of tongue. So students, we can understand this thing very clearly that without the tongue all the food items would taste the same. Why? Because we have taste buds on the surface of the tongue, right? Students, just look at the picture which is present on your screen. We have taste buds on the surface of our tongue. We know whether a particular food is sweet, sour, bitter or salty through the taste buds, right? The taste buds that tell us whether a particular food is salty or sweet are near the tip of the tongue. Okay? And the taste buds for sour taste are on the sides of the tongue, and the taste buds for bitter taste are at the back of the tongue. Okay, students, just look at this picture very carefully on your screen. We can see together all the taste buds, right? So what will you do? You have to draw this picture in your notebook and color it also. And label it also, right? Okay. So students, this is our last topic of today's class, care for tongue. Taking care of the tongue is very important, right? We can take care of our tongue by cleaning it with a tongue cleaner. Just you can see in this picture, this is a tongue cleaner, and we can clean our tongue with the help of tongue cleaner, right? Next point is avoiding very spicy food. Okay, we should avoid to eat very spicy food. हमेशा हमें स्पाइसी फूड खाने से बचना चाहिए, हमें अवॉइड करना चाहिए. बहुत ज़्यादा स्पाइसी फूड नहीं खाना चाहिए. वाई? बिकॉज ये हमारी टंग को हार्म करता है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज अवॉइड वेरी हॉट फूड. With spicy food, we should avoid also hot food, right? Next is we should rinse our mouth after every meal. This is very important. कुछ भी खाने के बाद स्टूडेंट्स हमें अपने माउथ को बहुत अच्छे से क्लीन करना चाहिए, राइट? So students, by following all these tips, we can care of our tongue, right? We should clean our tongue with tongue cleaner. We should avoid spicy and hot food, and we should rinse our mouth after every meal. Okay students, now this is the time to read key terms of this chapter and some important point regarding this chapter. So what you will do, you have to read very carefully and try to learn it also. Key terms: incisors are called cutting teeth, canines are called tearing teeth, premolars are called crushing teeth, and molars are called grinding teeth, right? Some important points. Teeth give shape to our face. This we all know, right? Temporary teeth are also known as milk teeth. An adult has 32 permanent teeth. Tongue is a sense organ. And the last one is the tongue helps to taste different flavors of the food which we eat. Students, we have to take quick recap some important points, right? Teeth give shape to our face. Next, temporary teeth are also known as milk teeth, right? Temporary teeth को मिल्क टीथ भी कहा जाता है. An adult has 32 permanent teeth, right? And tongue is a sense organ. And last one is the tongue help to taste different flavors of the food we eat. Students, now we have finished this chapter number 8, human teeth and tongue, and I hope you all have to understood all the topics related to this chapter, right? So thank you and bye bye till next class. Stay safe and healthy.